Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I'll teach you English B grammar page number 8, 9 and 10. Students, now let us start. Topic: antonyms are opposite words. For example number 1, it is a big flower. Next, example number 2, it is a small bird. मुदर्जा वाला सेंटेंसेस में बिग और स्मॉल ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो एक दूसरे के मुतजाद हैं। अंग्रेज़ी में ऐसे दो अल्फाज को अपोजिट वर्ड्स कहते हैं। टू वर्ड्स विच हैव अपोजिट मीनिंग्स आर कॉल्ड अपोजिट वर्ड्स। लर्न द मीनिंग्स एंड स्पेलिंग्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अपोजिट वर्ड्स। Always, never, ask, tell, broad, narrow, cry, laugh, dirty, clean, enlarge, reduce, front, back, generous, selfish, hold, release, internal, external. Next, artificial, real, begin, finish, connect, disconnect, die, live, different, same, explicit, unclear, few, many, give, take, honest, dishonest, irritate, calm, etc. Next, page number 9. Ancient, modern, alive, dead, admit, deny, attend, neglect, allow, disallow, bad, good, buy, sell, bright, dark, better, worse, bare, covered. Next, asleep, awake, aware, unaware, answer, question, angry, happy, ascend, descend, bore, interesting, below, above, bring, send, break, join, bless, curse, brief, detailed, etc. Next, page number 10. Include, exclude, accept, reject, affirm, deny, appear, disappear, laugh, weep, lead, follow, lend, borrow, lock, unlock, mount, dismount, obey, disobey. Next, inhale, exhale, advance, retreat, agree, disagree, arm, disarm, attract, repel, assemble, disperse, beautify, disfigure, collect, distribute, conceal, reveal, strengthen, weaken, etc. स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. आई होप you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.